Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am using this Pacifica palette. It is very nice. I did like a soft eyeshadow today. Yeah, I only did my eyeshadow again because my face is usually the same. So if you guys want to see how I created this eye look, keep on watching because I'm gonna show you. Okay, today I am taking my Pacifica palette. This is such a nice eye palette. I love that they're like an all natural, like natural eyeshadows. Like, it's nice to have brands that do this. I don't want to put like a bunch of like crappy chemicals on my face all the time because it could cause problems, so I'm glad that they do this. This is also the Power of Love palette. This is only $20. I'll link it down below. First I am going to be going into the shade right here. I'm just going to take that shade and run it through my crease. I'm going to be taking this maroon shade right here and just taking it on the outer corner of my eye. Next, I am going to be taking the shade right here and putting that on my eyelid. Next, I'm taking my Wet n Wild waterproof eyeliner and adding a wing. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was a quick toot, so yeah. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, whatever you want to do, and I'll catch you later.